Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation in your laptop. So yeah, first we have to open the browser. After that, search VMware Workstation Pro 16. Actually, VMware Workstation 17 already released, but I'm going to show you the demo with the 16 Pro. All installation procedure will be same. So go to download VMware Workstation Pro. After that, you can see here download VMware Workstation Pro 16 version for Windows. So I'm going to download for the Windows version. Go to downloads, VMware Workstation, download now. For if you guys are struggling to get this link, don't worry, I will give you the link in the description. So agree the terms and condition, accept. So it started downloading. So let's wait until the file will be downloaded. Okay, so I already have that file I downloaded, so it should be like okay, let's wait until it's downloaded. It's a different file, no problem. It's almost done. We can wait for a few minutes. It will be downloaded fast. I think my network is quite faster, as you can see. I also already connected with the Wi-Fi, but I hope it's good. Speed is good. I will show you later onwards how to configure a better network, Wi-Fi system, everything. You can follow up my page, everything will be there. So it's almost done. Okay, so it's downloaded. So just open it, show folder, or directly open when it is done. Fine. So wait for it. It's downloading. Okay, so start the installation procedure. I will show you step by step how to install this one. Okay, so welcome to VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, next. So accept the terms and conditions. If you want to read this full, you can, but just accept it. Okay, fine. Install Hyper-V platform automatically. It's fine. Install Hyper-V as well, no problem. Okay, add VMware Workstation console tool system path. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, user experience. Join your experience improvement program. No, I don't need check program update on the startup. It's okay, no need. Put next. Desktop startup menu shortcut. Yeah, it should be fine. Put next and install. So it started installation procedure. It's quite faster. So later on videos I will show you how to install GNS3 inside the our VMware workstation. In that we can configure 40 gig firewall. Coming videos you can expect that kind of videos as well. Okay, it's downloading. It's almost done. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, so it's light sensing. It's okay. I will run for the trial version at the moment. I have 1 month trial version period. Okay, let's open the browser. Open the application VMware Workstation. Yeah, it's done, working fine, perfectly. So after that, I will show you next video. I'm going to show you how to install JNS3 in VMware. Okay, and troubleshooting as well. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.